Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Hey Siri on iPad Air 13 2024. To enable Hey Siri, go to Settings, then go to Siri and Search, and now make sure press the button for Siri is enabled and go to Listen For, and you can enable Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. I'm gonna enable Siri or Hey Siri, then let's tap on continue, and after I press on continue I'll need to repeat 5 phrases that are shown on the screen. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And from now on, whenever I say Siri or Hey Siri, it will open Siri Assistant. So let's ask it a question. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Kraków? Hey Siri, how's the weather in Kraków?
The UMetNet. Mateo alarm.
And it gives me the answer right away.
Until Monday.
That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.